Hi, Hi, good one. Okay, Vivan, can you say a big hi and good morning to Vihan? Vivan is saying to Vihan, okay? Vihan? Good morning. Good morning, Vihan. Good morning. Yes. Good morning, Vivan.
Vivan.
Have a good day.
Good morning, Vivan.
Good morning, Vivan.
Very good day.
Good, Vivan and Vihan. Okay. Nukshita. Good morning, Nukshita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nitila. Nukshita, please say a big hi to Nitila. Nukshita.
Hi, sir.
Okay. Superman Naitik. Please say hi to Sailesh. Hi, Sailesh.
Hi, Nitek.
Very good. Okay. Kavyani, please say hi to Zedi.
Hi, Zeddy.
Kavyarini.
Hi, Zeddy.
I think Zedi is on mute. We can't hear her. Okay. Good morning, Rohita. How are you?
I'm fine.
You fine? Oh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Janavi. Good morning, Satvika. Good morning, Dikshan. What is that, Janavi? Wow, nice dress. What is that dress called?
Cotton dress.
What dress?
Cotton dress.
Cotton dress. Nice, very nice. New dress, Janavi. Is that a new?
Watch.
You got a nice watch. What is the occasion at your house? What is special today?
Chapati sambar.
Ah, no. I'm not asking about the food. You have got new dress. You have got new watch. What is special? Nothing. You're going out?
No.
No. Nice makeup, Janvi. Come on, please be seated. We'll start now. Okay.
Just to be know without that.
Okay, so I think many of them has joined today after a long time. I'm seeing many of them today. Okay, let's start. Come on, please sit straight. We'll start with Zian. Good morning, Karthikeyan. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Nicely combed, looking very handsome today, Karthikeyan. Okay, let's start. You're welcome. Okay, I want Dikshan to unmute and say Kidzi Anthem with me, Dikshan. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on. Please sit straight, everyone. Satvika, come on, dear. Have your hands on your chest. Close your eyes. Vihan, come on, close your eyes. Good, Neha. Good, Kavyayani. Rohita, come on. Zedi, Janavi. Very good. Sailesh, close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes. Vivan. Okay, Kidzi Anthem.
Kidzi Anthem.
You are within me. Dikshan, come on, say, you are within me.
You are the
You are infinite.
Are infinite.
You are unique.
My potent inside.
My potential inside. You are the wind.
You are the wind.
Beneath my flight.
Beautify me.
You define me.
My potent inside.
My potential inside. Today I pledge.
All the might.
With all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential.
My potential inside. Okay, thank you, Dikshan. Please open your eyes. A big good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pranita. How are you, Pranita?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, Vishank.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the warm up. Ready? Yes, please stand up. Nukshita, you want to say something, Nukshita? But I can't hear you. One, two, three.
Hey! Hey! Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Good, very good. Come back to your place. Okay, so from tomorrow we'll dance. Okay, let me get off my headset and we'll dance together with the new steps for the same song. Okay, okay, we'll start with attendance. Okay, when I call out your name, I want you to say, "Here I am," and what are you going to say? We'll say something new. What shall we say? Good morning. Good morning, Aiden.
Hi ma'am, actually Aiden came out for RT-PCR test, so he won't be on video for another 30 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what shall we say after "Here I am"? Any suggestions, any words you want to say? Anybody? What shall we say after "Here I am"?
Here I am. Okay. Ma'am, Aiden, here I am.
Hooray!
Hooray! Okay, we'll say hooray. Okay, we'll say hooray. Okay, thank you, Vivan, for suggestions. Okay. So when I call out your name, you're going to say, "Here I am," and then hooray with both the hands. Okay. Aiden?
Yes.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Very good. Thank you. Devrakshita?
Mouse is absent today.
Yes, I want all of you to listen to the name of your friends. Check if they are present. If they are not present, mouse absent today. Very good, Dakshin. That way. Devkrish? Devkrish?
Mouse is absent. am Kudre.
Very good, Dhruv. Farnas?
Farnas. Mouse is absent today.
Yeah, mouse is absent today. Okay. Ashini?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good, Ashini. Iron?
Here I am
Hooray! Okay, yo-yo.
சொல்லு
Here I am Yo-Yo.
Okay, Iron. Thank you. Janavi? Here I am. You're on mute.
Here I am Yo-Yo.
Okay. Karthikeyan?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Kavyalini?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good. Naitik?
Here I am Yo-Yo.
All the things together. Okay. Neha?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good. Nitila?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good, Nitila. Prajesh? Sorry, Nukshita?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good, Nukshita. Prajesh?
Oh, the mouse is absent today.
Most absent today. Pranita?
Here I am
Hooray. Good. Rohita?
Here I am Kudre. Here I am Kudre.
Good. Satvika?
Here I am Kudre.
Very good, Satvika. Sailesh?
Here I am Hooray.
Good. Siddharth?
The mouse is absent today. The mouse is absent today.
The mouse is absent today. Okay. Tejas?
The mouse is absent today. The mouse is absent today.
Okay. Tarnika?
Here I am Hooray.
Very good. Vishank?
Hooray.
Okay. Here I am. Vivan?
Here I am Hooray.
Good, Vivan. Zedi? Zedi?
Hooray.
Okay. Vihan? Here I am.
Here I am Hooray.
Very good, all of you. Okay. Before we start the class, shall we all do a rocket clap together? Yes, ready everyone? How do you do the rocket clap? For those who don't know, let me do it one time and show you. So we are going to tap the hands like this. Rocket go up and then come down and then like that. Okay? Ready? Everyone together. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Rocket clap. Okay. So today what are we going to do today, children? Anybody?
Dictation.
Yeah, we are going to do dictation. Before that, we'll revise the words and we'll do a dictation. Okay? For those who have not read it, we'll revise it now and then we'll do it. Okay? So we are going to revise E words today. Okay? So what is the sound of E? What is the sound of E? Zedi, what is the sound of E? A. Correct. Janu, what is the sound of E? Okay. Nukshita, what is the sound of E? It's not A. Okay. A is apple. Okay. Sound of E is A. Elephant. Remember always the sound of elephant. When you see the letter E, you should remember E. What ma'am said? Elephant. So A elephant. So sound of E is not A. It is A. Okay. So what is sound of E, Janavi? Very good. Nukshita, what is sound of E? It's not A. It's A.
In the pan.
Yeah, eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Okay, Satvika, what is sound of E?
E sound.
One more time.
Sound of E.
It's not a. Just now I said no. As apple. A. What is sound of E? Okay. Nitila, what is sound of E?
Elephant.
Very good. Elephant. Vihan, what is sound of E?
Elephant.
Very good. So now we are going to read E letters. Okay. As we do, joining with both our hands. Okay. Same way. Both our palms we are going to do together. First word. E-D. Ed. I want all of you to open your mouth and say with me. Okay. Ed. Where are your hands? I can't see your hands. Where are your hands? Come on. Ed. E-D. Sound of E is a. Sound of D is D. Ed. So when you always remember, when you hear the sound ed, it means you have to write E-D. Okay. Now, E-G. What is sound of G? Hashini, what is sound of G?
G.
Tamika, what is sound of G?
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Good. Rohita, what is sound of G?
Go.
Go. Gorilla. Dikshin, what is sound of G?
Gate.
Gate. Okay. Vivan, what is sound of E? E. Egg. Okay.
Let's say it.
Listen.
No.
You won't say the sound? Okay, I'll say the sound.
No.
Okay, Vishang, what is sound of E? Vishang. It's not E, it's A. Elephant. Okay, Pranita, what is sound of E?
What is sound of E? It's
Elephant.
Elephant. It's not a elephant. No, it's a elephant. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Pranita, can you say a elephant?
Elephant.
Okay. Neha, what is sound of E?
Elephant.
Okay. Naitik, what is sound of G?
G.
Oh, very good. Kavyani, come on. We are going to read E and G together. Egg.
Egg.
Very good. Egg. E and G. Egg. Good. Naitik. Good, Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik. E-D. Egg.
Egg.
Ed. Dhruv.
Egg.
Okay. Dhruv. Dhruv, can you unmute?
Dhruv, bolo. So, say.
Egg.
Bol.
Ed.
Two.
Ed. Karthikeyan.
Egg.
Karthikeyan, what is sound of E, Karthikeyan? What is sound of A? What is sound of G? G. Egg. 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 Egg.
Egg. Egg.
Egg. Good. Good. Iron.
சொல்லு.
Ed. Ed. Ed.
சொல்லு ஜோரா சொல்லு ஐரீன்.
Ed.
ஜோ சொல்லு.
Egg.
Ed. Okay. Okay. Who else I didn't call? Sailesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this Ed words? First one.
K. No. E. E. D.
B-E-D.
B.
Ed.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Ed. Join. What will you have? Ed.
Bed.
Bed. Tarnika. Next one. Fed. Danvin.
Leg.
Very good. Vivan.
Red.
Very good. Rohita. Rohita there. Okay, Zedi.
What? Aid.
Hmm.
What? Dead.
Wed.
Wed.
Okay. Vishank.
Wed. F.
Hmm.
L.
Hmm.
E. B.
T.
D.
Okay. What is sound of F? What is sound of L?
L.
L. L. L.
Fill.
L. Okay. Ed.
Ed. It.
Ed. Ed. Ed.
Flood. Fled.
Very good. Very good. Fled. Good. Vihan. Vihan.
చెప్పు.
Flood.
Then is this one. BEG.
ఈజీ చెప్పమ్మా.
నేను రాస్తుంది ఇంకో.
What is sound of B?
ఈ సౌండ్ చెప్పు. బి సౌండ్.
What is sound of B? Balloon. Bag. What is sound of B? You're on mute. I can't hear you, Vihan. Okay, Nitila.
Bag.
Very good. Beg. Satvika. What is egg? Sound is correct. Join that. Egg. Hello. Satvika, I can't hear you, Satvika. The video is freezed actually. Satvika, can you say egg? Okay, Dikshan.
ma'am.
E-G-G.
Egg.
Egg. Good. Next
Good.
section. Egg. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
K-E-G.
K-E-G. Cake.
Keg. What is sound of E? What is sound of E, Janavi?
Eggs in the
No.
pan.
Eggs in the pan. It's not a. It's eggs in the A. Okay. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
This one. Egg.
Leg.
Leg. Okay. Satvik. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
M.
Yum.
Mm.
E-G.
Mm.
Neck.
Meg.
Meg.
Egg. 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 Meg.
Meg.
Aiden. Egg. Egg. Okay. Ashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Egg.
Egg. Pig.
Very good. Dhruv.
Yes.
E. How do you read this E-N?
N.
N. N. N.
Pen.
Ben. Very good. Karthikeyan. N. Den. Very good. Neha. Ten. Very good. Naitik. N. Naitik. Naitik. Okay. Next who is there? Danvin. N.
Hen.
Hen. Very good. Iron. N. Men. Men. Kavyavini. N.
Pen.
Pen. Very good. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
I can hear you now. Come on, read this. E-T. Et. Very good. Et. Bet. Okay. Naitik. Can you unmute? Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Et.
What?
G-E-T.
G-E-T. It. Bed.
What is sound of G?
Jo.
No, it's G. Gorilla. G sound is G. Et.
Get.
Get very good. Thank you so much, everyone. Come on, please take out your notebook. Write today's date. We are going to start the dictation. Okay. So today's date is 31. 3/1/31. We have come to the end of the month August. 3/1/31, and today is Tuesday. Third Tuesday. Please write today's date 3/1/31.8.21. And tomorrow will be, today is Tuesday. What is tomorrow?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And how was the weather outside, children? How was the weather outside?
Sunny.
Sunny. It's not cloudy.
Sunny.
It's not windy. It's not windy. It's not windy. Okay, sunny.
No.
Sunny. Okay. Not sunny.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am in Pondicherry, my dress mama's house.
Oh, nice.
Sunny here.
Sunny there. Okay.
Madam, like,
Okay. So have you all taken a notebook? Please write.
Sorry, madam, sorry to disturb. So the dictation is in rough notes or it's in a
Rough note.
Okay.
Take your rough note. Write today's date 31.8.21.
यहाँ पे डॉट डालना होता है बस या नाम ध्रुव ऐसा मत करो कहीं मत लिखना लिख थोड़ा छोटा लिख
Let me share the date. 31.8.21. Have you all written? Shall we start? Okay. Before we start, okay, I have to say one thing. Whatever spelling you know you're going to write, please don't get help from your parents. Okay, this is for us to know and you to know how far we have understood. Okay, so write whatever you understand, whatever you know. Don't look at your parents and ask them what is the spelling. Okay, will you all be honest? I trust you. Will you all be honest?
Yes.
Yes, you have to be honest. Okay, write whatever you know. Very clear. Okay, but I want all of you to stay on mute. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you don't understand a word, you can unmute and ask me. Okay, just 10 words we'll write. Shall we write 10 words? Okay, first word. Bed. Bed. First word. Let me also write in my notebook. Bed. Bed. Done. If you have done, show me thumbs up. I'll move the next word. Okay. Very fast. Good. Second word. Pet.
Okay.
Second word, ma'am.
Yes.
Second word, ma'am.
Pet. Second word, pet. Pet. Okay. Karthikeyan done, Hashni done, okay. Mithila done. Irene, are you writing? Irene, Pranita.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry, we had a power cut here. What was the
No
word?
problem.
What
The
was
first word was bed.
bed?
Bed, bed. Bed, bed. First word was bed. Good Zedi, good Kavyani. Bed, bed. Good Sailesh. The second word was pet. Pet, pet. Pet, pet. All of you wrote the second word, 2 words. Everybody, is anybody still haven't written? Please raise your hand. No, who haven't written? Who haven't written 2 words? Everybody? Okay, third word. Men. Men.
Second one.
Pet. 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 Second one was pet, Nukshita. Third one, men. 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 Very good. I think almost Janvin, Hashini, Tarnika, Kavyani. Good.
Ma'am, men or med, ma'am?
Men. Men.
Oh, men.
Good, Karthikeyan. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Net. Fourth word. Net. Good. Put your hands down. Start writing. Net. Net. Okay. Pranita, are you writing, Pranita? Nishank, Vivan, Zedi, everybody? Done with the fourth word?
Ma'am, fourth word, ma'am.
Net. Net.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Dhruv. Put your hands down. Good, Karthikeyan. Put your hands down. If you raise it for a long time, your hand will pain. Just show me thumbs up and put your hands down, children. Okay? Shall I go for the fifth word? Okay, I'll just read out one more time for those who have joined little late or some network issue. First word was bed. Bed. First word. Second word, pet. Third word, men. Fourth word, net. Net. Done. Shall we move to the fifth word? Yes? No? If anybody says no, please raise your hand now. No. Okay. Hen. 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 Done? Okay. Sixth word. Red. Sixth word. Red. 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 Good, Danvik. Good, Ashni. Good, Tarnika. Good, Kavyani. Janavi. Finish red, Janavi. Red.
Ma'am.
Okay. Seventh word. Diction finish. Sixth word. Red. Good diction. Naitik, red. Done. Pranita, Nukshita, Neha. Very good. Okay. Shall we move to the seventh word? Neha, shall we move to the seventh word? Wet. et, wet. Et, wet. Et, wet. Done? Good throw. As soon as he finishes, he'll raise his hand. Okay. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Good, Dhanvin. Put your hands down. Sapika, Nitila finished. Et, wet. Good, Karthikeyan. Put your hands down. Et, wet. Good, Nitila. Nitila is feeling sleepy, tired.
Ma'am.
Eighth word. Ready? Eighth word. Beg. Beg. Ba, egg, beg. Ba, egg, beg. Ba, egg, beg. Good, Dhanvin. Put your hands down. Good, Karthikeyan. Good, Hashini. Good, Kaviyani. Then, Tarnika.
Ma'am, after net, what was the words that you have mentioned, ma'am? Sorry, we were offline.
The last one, ma'am.
Okay, give me a second. From fifth word, I'll repeat everything.
Sure.
From fifth word. Hen. Ha and hen is the fifth word. Ha and hen. Ha and hen. Sixth word. Red. Ed. Red. Sixth word. Red. Ed. Red. Seventh word. Et. Wet. Seventh word. Et. Wet. Eighth word. Egg. Beg. Ninth
Before
word.
the pen, ma'am. Before the pen. Sorry, ma'am. Before the pen.
No problem. Before pet, you asked me the first word.
Yes.
First word was bed. First word bed.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ninth word. What did you say? I forgot. Den. Ninth word den. Da and den. Ninth word is den. Da and den. Ninth word. Da and den. Janvi wrote den, da and den. Right, fast, fast. Da and den. Okay, then. Da and. Good, Dhruv. Good, Hashini. Done, Vivan. Da and den. Very good. Ishan, da and den. Then last word. Ready? Leg. Egg. Leg. Egg. Leg. Egg. Leg. Yes, done. I'm done. So I'm raising my hand. I don't 10 words. Okay. Egg. Leg. Okay. Okay, Dhanvin, Hashini. Karthikeyan, you want any words? I'll repeat for everyone one more time. Those who have not written any words, you can just check it. Last word was leg, dear. Leg. Egg, leg. 10th word, leg. Pranita, are you writing, Pranita? Rohita, done?
She last one, ma'am. She wrote last one.
Very good.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Good, Pranita, you wrote. Okay. Zedi, put your hands down. Everybody, please put your hands down. We have finished? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, so is anybody writing? I'll just read out. Just check your words, children. Okay, just last recap. Okay, just check your words if you've written all these words. First one. Okay. Good, Rohita. Keep it down. Keep it down. First word, bed. Check if all of you have written bed. You are going to check it. Okay, bed. Have you all written bed? Bed. Second word, pet. Pet. Third word, men. Men. Fourth word, net. Net. Fifth word, hen. Hen. Sixth word, red. Red.
I know.
Seventh word, wet. Wet. Eighth word, egg. Beg. Ninth word, den. Finally, 10th word, egg. Leg. Okay. First word. Vivan, can you read the first spelling of the first word? Vivan.
Bed.
Spelling. What you have written?
B-E-D.
Okay. Is that correct, Rohita? Vivan is saying B-E-D for bed. Is that correct, Rohita? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Can you give a big round of clap for Vivan? Good, Vivan. Okay. Now, Rohita, what is this? Those who have got it, please put a tick mark. Get a star from your mother. Okay. Later, father and mother. Okay. Second word. Rohita, what is second word, Rohita?
P. Pet.
Very good. P-E-T.
Pet.
Very good, Rohita. I checked it. So I am saying Rohita has read it correctly. I'm going to give a marshmallow clap for Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Marshmallow clap for Rohita. Very good.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first one, ma'am, P-E-T, pet या B-E-D, bed, ma'am?
First one, bed. Second one is pet.
Oh, no, ma'am. ZD written pet, ma'am. P-E-T, pet.
That is the second word. Ask her to write the first word, B-E-D, bed.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, bed also written, ma'am. Okay.
Oh, very good then.
Pet and bed.
Okay. Third word. Vihan. What is it? Vihan. What is the third word?
Third word, Chappu.
Ida. Yummy.
What is that?
End Chappu. Cheppamma. Vihan.
Men. Men.
Cheppu.
Yes, ma'am.
Men. Okay. What clap should we do? Heart clap for Vihan. Vihan, heart clap.
Mama.
Okay. Next, Sailesh. Fourth word.
Fourth word is the funny.
For N-E-D. N-E-D. N-E-T.
What is that? N-E-T.
Nut.
Net.
What is nut spelling? Not is nut spelling, Sailesh.
What is spelling?
Umbrella. U. T. T. N-U-T. Nut.
Yes. Very good. N-U-T is nut. N-E-T is net. Okay. Please check if you all have written N-E-T for the fourth word. N-E-T, net. Kavyani, fifth word here.
What? Hen.
Spelling it. Spell it out. Spell. Read the spelling.
H-E-N.
Hen.
Hen.
Okay, Vishank, is that correct? Vishank, is that correct? H-E-N. Is that correct, Vishank? Fifth one. Correct? No.
When correct.
Yes. Correct. Okay, let's do a big wave clap for Kavyani. Wave clap. Good. Okay, Vishank, what is the sixth word? What is the sixth word, Vishank?
Sixth one.
R-E-D.
What is that?
R-E-D.
Then a sound. என்னது ED என்னது? ed என்னது?
Ed. Red.
Very good. Very good. Let's give a big rocket clap for Vishank. Good. Nitila, seventh word. Okay, welcome. Nitila, seventh word.
W-E-D.
Net.
சத்தமா சத்தமா சொல்லு.
You wrote wed. You wrote wed. Wa-ed. Okay. Okay, I think it's W-E-T. Wet. Wa-et. No problem. Wa-et. Wet. Wa-et. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Wa-et. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Diction. Eighth word.
Eighth one. E-G. Bed. Beg.
Peg.
Beg.
Very good. A big marshmallow clap for Nitila and Dikshan. Marshmallow clap. Very good. Okay, next Satvika. Ninth word. Nayan. What's the ninth word you have written?
The N.
Then, okay. Nukshita. What is the ninth word, Nukshita? Nukshita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the ninth word?
The E. N.
10. Very good. Rocket for Satvika and Nukshita. Good. Very good. Okay, next, last word I would like to call Iron. What's the 10th word? Last word. L-E-G, leg. Very good. Okay, Dhanvi, what is the last word?
L-E-G, leg.
Leg. Okay. Hashini, what is the fifth word?
Hen.
Hen. Spelling.
H-E-N. Hen.
Good. Janavi, what is the ninth word?
D-E-M. Den.
D-E?
Thank you.
D-E-N or M?
N.
N, then. Okay. Very good. Welcome, Janavi. Okay, so we have done with the dictation. So you're going to get a star from your mom or your dad who is sitting with you later on. Okay, and a big smiley for everyone. Big smiley for everyone. Okay, so now keep your notebooks down. Please keep your notebooks down. Okay, we are going. Please stand up. Have you heard of this sound? Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry. Have you heard of this song? You're going to go in rounds. Okay. Whatever action ma'am is saying, you're going to do that action. Okay. Give me a second. Ready? Have you all stand? Okay, have you all stood up? Yes. Okay. Okay, you're going to clap and go in circle. Okay? Ready? Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush. No, you don't have to round in same place. Just go like a round. Make a circle. Walk, run and go make a circle. Okay? Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. Come back to your place. Come back to your place. Okay, so now can you all take out your slate? We're going to write the cursive letter S and T today if possible. Let me ask Zedi, what is the sound of S, Zedi? What is the sound of S?
S.
Can you give me some words with S? As in?
S what?
S. S for snake. S for sun.
S for sun. S for snail. S for snowman. S for strawberries. Okay, Dhruv.
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Very good. Soar. Then soap.
Say some more words. Say some more words. You know. बोलो इससे कौन सा होगा जल्दी बोलो.
Sun.
Sun.
Or strawberry.
Strawberry. That's it. Okay, so now we are going to write S. Okay, S as in sun, S as in snake, S as in snowman, S as in strawberry, S as in soap. Sound. What does sound make? S makes sound. Let me try if I can play that. Give me a second. Okay, let me play the phonics song. We hear it and then we'll start.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Okay, so we are going to write that now. So please take out your slate. Okay, are you all ready? We're going to write letter S. Okay. Shall we write the normal S which we know? The normal capital S will be like this, right? S. Now we are going to write cursive S today. Let me see if it's okay. Can you see, is it blurred or is it visible? It's visible? Yes, okay. So from the second blue line, a slanting line touch the red line. From the second blue line, a slanting line touch the red line. Pranita, have you taken your slate, Pranita? Pranita. Okay, come on. Slanting line here. Have you all done till here? Slanting line touching the red line? Yes. Then a backward bend. As we always do, a backward small curve. Then a slanting line again. Okay. Till here. Don't touch the blue line. Slanting line. Stop it before the blue line. Then make a curve and then touch here. Make a curve and touch here. This makes cursive capital S. This is capital S. One more time, slanting line first step. Second step, slanting line and a backward bend. Slanting line, a backward bend, a slanting line. Then slanting line, make a small curve. Make a small curve and touch here. That makes capital S. Are you writing, Irene? Yes. S as in snake. S as in snow. Slow. Good. I can see. Dhruv is showing me. Very good, Dhruv. Danvin, good, Danvin. I can see. Sailesh, good. I can see. Kavyani is showing me, but it's little top. Can you just show me? Yes, Kavyani, Rohita, good. Vihan, good. Nitila, very good, Nitila. Good, Satvika. Nukshita, Janavi, Irene, finished? Yes, Naitik. I can see your notebook. Good, Naitik. Dikshan finished writing S? Good, Dikshan.
Ma'am, look here.
Wow, Neha, you wrote a capital and small. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Vishank, S. Good, Zedi. Slanting line.
Ma'am, Janavi.
Good, Janavi. Janavi, today I want you to practice with the lines, not like this. Come on, rub it, and you're going to write within the 3 lines. Come on. You have lines, right? Come on. We'll write together. Rub it.
Ma'am, Nukshita.
Wow, Nukshita, it's nice. Vivan, done? Yes. Yes. Good. So what you have written, Vivan? What letter is that? S. Okay, Hashini. Good. Tarnika. Good. Then Dhruv, I saw. Karthikeyan. Good, Zedi. I saw that. You can keep it down. Karthikeyan, yes. Wow, nice, Karthikeyan. You're crying? Don't cry. I don't know if the video is blurred. Yes, Dhruv, I saw that, Dhruv. Small is also you wrote. Very good. Okay. So now we are going to write the small cursive, small s. Okay. How do we write that? So as we know, cursive letters, small letters, we usually write within the blue line. So within the blue line is slanting line, backward bend, curve. You are going to touch here and then trace on the same line and then make a curve. As we wrote the capital S, we are going to write the same thing within the blue line. Go touch here. Don't take the pencil. Trace on the same one and put a curve. That makes small s. Okay? Don't take the pencil. Trace the same line and put a curve. That makes small s. Let me write it. How do we write capital S? From the second blue line, we are going to touch the red line. This makes capital S. Small s, we are going to write within the blue line. Slanting line, backward bend, small slanting line, curve, touch this, trace on the same curve and put a tail. Good Kavyani, good Sailesh, small s. Yes, Vihan, I can see. Danvin, good. Yeah, Janavi, perfect, Janavi. That's how you write, within the lines. Within the line, very good. Yes, Nitila, good. Irene? Yes. Wow, Irene, looks good. Yes, Dikshin, it's nice.
Silence, ma'am.
Small as ma'am. One more time, ma'am.
Yes, I'll do that. Yes, silence. The second one, it looks different for me. The other was, it's nice. Silence, check the second. Yes, I don't know if it's inverted. It looks different to me. Yeah. Yes.
Pranita,
Pranita. Give me a second, Pranita.
ma'am, one time, ma'am.
Pranita, I cannot see. It's little blurred. Okay. So, small yes, one more time. Can you all write with me those who are, see, slanting line first. Okay. Then a backward bend. Write with me. Whoever has not written small s, please write with me. Slanting s, slanting line, backward bend. Then a slanting, extend the slanting line. Touch here.
Okay, cursive writing lo T idi.
And then trace in the same one and put a curve.
J ఇప్పుడు కదా ఉంటది నువ్వు J రాస్తావు ఇలా రాస్తావు.
Vihan, can you stay on mute, Vihan, please?
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Yeah, Pranita, give me a second, Pranita. Yes, it's little blurred, but I can see, Pranita. Yes, Zedi, good Zedi. Ashni, done writing S?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ashni, shall we write together?
Yes.
Like the other day? Okay. So small letters we are going to write within the blue line. Okay. First is slanting line. Backward bend. Small backward like a mountain. Then a slanting line. Then make a curve like this and touch here. Like U curve, touch here. Then trace on the same U curve and put a tail. Yes, Yeah, you can just practice, Harsh. It's correct. Just that it's coming out of the blue line. You have to stop. If you make this curve little small, no, you see, it's like this, no? It's like this. It's coming out of the blue line. Just when you make this curve little small, backward curve little small, you will get within the blue line. Okay, otherwise it is good. Yes, Pranita. Now I can see Pranita. Thank you for showing. Very good, Pranita. It's nice. Okay, everybody wrote capital S. Now we are going to write T. T is very simple. Okay, shall we write T? Ready, everyone? Yes? Okay. So T is capital T. How do you write capital T? From the red line, here small one. And then sleeping line. Sleeping line, trace the same red line. Sleeping line. 1. In the blue line, touch the second blue line and make a J curve. That makes capital T. Simple, right? Capital T. Small sleeping line, small standing line. First step, then a sleeping line. Then 1, touch the blue line and then make a curve. That makes capital T. Tiger. Can you give some words? Anybody can give some words with T? Yes, you can unmute. Okay.
Telephone.
Telephone. Okay. Yes, good diction.
Train.
Train. Okay, then. Good.
T.
20. Good. Tiger. Time. Then.
Tarnika.
Okay, that is Tarnika. Okay. Then that's it. 10. Toast. Tiger. Train, as you said. Then.
Tomato.
Tomato. Good. Tortoise. Turtle. Yes, Eilish. Nice, Eilish. T.
House.
Tata.
Tent house.
Tent house. Wow. Tent house. Okay.
Tension.
Tension. Okay. Nakshita, tell me. 10. Okay. 10. Okay. Good, Neha. Yes, Irene, tell me.
Temple.
Temple. Okay. Train. Okay. Toys. Triangle. Good.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Okay. Teddy.
Telescope.
Tree.
Telescope.
Telephone. Tree. Table. Yes. Table, tricycle, tent, everything. Very good. Okay, now we will write small t. Everybody wrote capital T, right? Small t we are going to write now. Okay? It's similar to L. We wrote L. Remember, how did you write L?
Ma'am, capital T is one more time, ma'am. Network issue, ma'am.
Okay.
Capital T.
Small line. Come on, Zedi, write with me. Sleeping line. 1. Then bend it. That makes capital T. Small t like L. We wrote L, remember? Slanting line, backward bend, and then like this L. The same way write for small t and then put a sleeping line in the middle. That makes small t. How do you write? Let me write it within the lines. Capital T here I have written. Small t from the second blue line, curved slanting line, backward bend, and then come down, put a sleeping line at the top. That makes small t. Yes, I can see Sailesh, Tarnika. Kavyani, no, you don't have to write L, just write T and show me. Okay. Like L, I said. Vivan, good Pranita, very nice Pranita. Vivan, did you write T, dear? Tata. Yes, Vivan has written. Good. Good Tarnika, good Danven. If you have seen, if I call out your name, you can keep it down. Yes, Nitila. Good Neha. Good Hashini. Janavi, did you write T?
No, ma'am, she's keep on telling some excuses, ma'am, that she's having hand pain, but she's drawing some flowers on her slate.
Janavi, you are very strong. Come on, let's write together. Send it, Lava. Come on, write capital T. Capital T. Small standing line, sleeping line, 1, and then curve. Capital T. Very good, Dhruv. You can keep it down, Dhruv. Come on, show me your capital T. Janavi, now I want you to write with the proper line, not like this. Rub it. No, not like that. You're going to write within the line. You are not in junior KG now. You have come to senior KG, no? Come on. Red line. Did you find the red line? First line. Small one. Small one. A small one. Then sleeping line. Sleeping line. Yes. Now without your mother holding your hand, you're going to write and show me. Come on. If you write and show me, I'm going to give you a big, big butterfly or a flower. I've got a flower now. I'm going to show you that flower. Come on, write and show me.
Ma'am, you see that?
Nice, Janavi. Very good. Flower for Janavi. Good. Now write small t. Yes, Nukshita, I'm coming to see you. Very good, Zaidi. I saw that, Zaidi. Nice. Pretty good. But just make sure you touch you're writing within the blue line. Okay? Yes, Iron is standing and showing me. Little closer, Iron. Can you bring it little closer? Yes. Good, Iron. Just that, Iron. Here you have to make a little curve. This curve alone. For small t. Otherwise, it is good. Very good. Yay! Very good, Iron. Yes, Nukshita, show me. Good, Nukshita. Very good. You wrote a normal T, capital T and small t. Good. Yes, Vihan. Yeah. Okay, Vihan. Nice. Very nice. Good, Danven. You got smiley and very good. Wow, it's superb. Neat, Danven. Okay, come on, Janavi, write and show me. Thank you. Others, those who have finished and showed me, you can leave the class. The class is over for today. This is going to be culmination week. Okay, so please complete S and T and send it back to me. Okay. Thank you so much and bye bye. Janavi, let me see yours, Janavi.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Good. Vishank, for T, you will not have a sleeping line in the middle, Vishank. For T, you will not have a sleeping line in the middle.
Bye bye.
Ma'am, she
நடுவுல line இருக்காது.
Bye.
wanted to write and say,
Bye.
Jellyfish, ma'am.
Bye, Naitik. Yeah, I can see the T. Give me a minute, Naitik. Yes, good.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
Zedi. Thank you, Naitik.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Vihan. Bye-bye.